Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video I'll be showing you my fondant recipe for 3 kgs icing sugar. Very easy to make and you can use it for all weather. If you're new to my channel, this is for the first time of watching my video, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting an alert of my new video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. Subscription is free just for you to be getting an alert of my latest video. To my old subscribers, I love you so much. You're all welcome back again. Don't forget to like my video. Feel free to comment and feel free to ask questions. This dry season, I'm still using this particular recipe for. Ingredients for this fondant: you need your 3 kgs icing sugar. This 1 kg, so I have my 3. A cup of water, just use your measuring cup and measure a cup. The glucose, 1 cup of glucose. Gelatin, you need 2.5 tablespoons. While CMC, you need only 2 tablespoons of CMC powder. So measure your 1 cup of water into a plate and you add your gelatin. 2.5 tablespoons of gelatin we'll be using for this 3 kgs icing sugar fondant. Stir a bit and you place it on a boiling pan. You can use a pan and put water, put on a medium heat, and you continue stirring till everything is well dissolved. When it's dissolved, you go ahead to add your glucose. You can see right now everything is well dissolved, so I'm going to measure in my glucose. That's 1 cup of glucose we will be measuring in. Add in 1 cup of glucose and you continue stirring till everything incorporates. So when everything is well mixed and dissolved, you go ahead to off the gas, remove it and allow it to cool. Don't allow this mixture to boil. Make sure your heat is very low. After sieving all your icing sugars, so feel free to add in your 2 tablespoons of CMC powder and you mix together and make a wall. Right now you'll be adding a little at a time as you mix. The gelatin mixture is okay now. It's not hot. Don't use a hot one. So add a little at a time as you incorporate. You can pour it out on your work surface and continue kneading till everything is set. Continue till everything is looking so elastic. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for to join this lovely family? You can go ahead and click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my newest video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. Seriously, subscription is free, just for you to be getting a lot of my new video. And don't forget to like my video, feel free to comment, and also feel free to ask questions. Finally, my fondant is ready. You can see it's looking so elastic. I made this beautiful fondant for my basket of fruit cake. So I've already posted the video and I also dropped the link on the description box below. Right now I'll be sharing it out, but I didn't add the fondant side, the colors of the colors I used for the particular basket cake. So right now what I'm adding in is brown color. I'll be mixing brown and orange color that I'll be using for the particular basket that you already watched the video. If you have not watched, please go and watch it. The link is on my description box. I'm mixing brown and orange. You can see the orange color. I'll be mixing the two together to get my basket color. I added more brown to it. Finally, I have my basket color. Go and watch that video. You will enjoy. Thanks for watching.